Yo. All right, so this is like a very interesting episode. Like, you know, the title says, it's about the evolving of drinks, kind of like Pokemon. So stay tuned and find out more. Welcome to my kitchen. So throughout my long alcoholic career, and by career I mean drunken nights and some days, I came to notice something interesting about mixed drinks. Like, it seems that you get a new drink for every ingredient or two you add. Like, what I mean is, so you start with your base alcohol, and then you add an ingredient to that, and it becomes a mixed drink. Then you add another ingredient to that, and it's a whole new drink with a whole new name. And then, etc., etc., etc. All right, follow along and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so first we have vodka, you know, your standard Russian potato-based spirit. And then to that, we're just gonna add orange juice. In a glass with ice, we're gonna pour in 2 parts of orange juice and 1 part of vodka. Then you just stir and serve. And now we have the 2 ingredient screwdriver. Very simple. Great to start parties, great to end parties, easy. But now we're going to, I guess, evolve it just a bit further by adding a splash of color with grenadine. Now, fun fact, most people think that grenadine is a cherry syrup, when in fact, it's actually a pomegranate syrup. The more you know. So now in a glass with ice, we're gonna pour in 1 ounce of vodka, 5 ounces of orange juice, and we're gonna just stir these thoroughly. Now we just pour in 1.5 ounces of grenadine syrup. And you're done. And so now you have a vodka sunrise. 1 more ingredient, whole new drink, right? All right, so moving along in this evolutionary train, now we're gonna add another ingredient, peach schnapps. In a shaker with ice, we're gonna add 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of peach schnapps, 3 ounces of orange juice, and then we're gonna shake this and then strain it into a glass. Then you just top with a splash of grenadine and you're done. And now we have a pierced fuzzy navel, right? It's like 1 more ingredient, whole new drink, all right? But wait, there's 1 more. Let's go. So in a glass of ice, we're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of peach schnapps, 2 ounces of orange juice, and 2 ounces of cranberry juice. And we just stir to combine it. And now you have the famous sex on the beach, right? So now we have 5 ingredients total and we have a whole new drink. So we went from the screwdriver to the vodka sunrise, to the pierced fuzzy navel, to sex on the beach, right? So now you understand what I mean. Like, it's really intriguing that, you know, you add 1 ingredient or 2 and you have a whole new drink. But wait, I have a whole new evolution for you, so let's get into it. And this one is a little more tricky. It's not necessarily 1 ingredient. In some cases it's 2, but for the most part, it follows the same idea. All right, so now we have rum, which in fact is not always gone. And to that, we're gonna add orange juice. In a glass with ice, we're just gonna add 1 part of rum, 2 parts of orange juice, and stir. And now you have this simple rum screwdriver. So original, right? So now moving along in this evolution, we're gonna add 1 more ingredient, which is pineapple juice. In a glass with ice, we're gonna add 2 ounces of orange juice, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 2 ounces of rum, and stir. So now with the rum, the orange juice, and the pineapple juice, we have a minimalist rum punch. Very simple, great for large parties. It's not like the full-fledged drink, but you know, it's still a drink. All right, so now we're gonna move along, and this time we're gonna add 2 ingredients, but it's still kind of following the same idea. In a glass of ice, we're gonna pour in 2 parts of orange juice, 1 part of pineapple juice, 1 part of rum, and a half part of coconut rum. We're gonna mix that, and then we're gonna add a splash of grenadine. Now we have another mixed drink, and this one's pretty well known. It's the Bahama Momo, right? We added like 2 ingredients, and now we have a whole new drink. All right, but wait, there's still one more in this evolutionary time, so let's get to it. So in a glass over ice, we're gonna pour in 1 part of dark rum, 1 part of coconut rum, 1 part pineapple juice, 1 part orange juice, and a half a part of lime juice. We're gonna stir that together and then add a splash of grenadine. Boom. Now we have 6 ingredients and we have the full-fledged rum punch, as it, I guess, was originally made. Maybe. I don't know. There you go. Now you should understand what I mean. You add 1, maybe 2 ingredients. You have a whole new drink. Like evolving drinks. Kind of like I said, like Pokemon, right? Anyways, just remember to drink responsibly and Happy New Year. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you definitely understand where I'm coming from and maybe if you have your own examples of evolving drinks. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.